I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Charles Schwab account. So the first thing you need to do is visit the official website or use the mobile app or enter your credentials. So just go to your Safari, or it could be any of the browser that you have like Chrome or Google. Just go ahead and open it. And once you're there, you need to navigate to the main page. So it's schwab.com. Just hit enter and you should see something like this. So what you need to do is enter your credentials to log into your Charles Schwab account. So for that, you need to look at the top right where you can see the login option, and right next to that, you have the option to open an account if you don't already have one. Since you're trying to log in, just go ahead and tap on login right there. Wait for it to load, and you have your login ID, and right below it you have your password. You have the option to remember your login ID, and you have the start page where it accounts for all of your summaries, balances, positions, trade ticket, and many more. Just enter your credentials and tap on login and you're good to go. So this way you can successfully log into your Charles Schwab account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.